Guys, gagawa tayo ng cake para sa ating Daddy John Ray. Gagawa tayo ng kasi mamaya darating yun. Candle na lang yung kulang. Okay guys, letter cake. Ayan, happy birthday daddy. And then I will put some candles. Huh? Bye. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Wish,
Iharap sa'yo.
tayo ng maraming pera.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you. Wala, ka.
Birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday,
Bilis!
Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!